the course of this week. Additionally, Mr. Speaker, there are various matters relating to bills, treaties, approval hearings, inquiries, and responses to statements still pending before committees. I therefore urge all our committees, their chairs and members to be present and actively participate in ensuring that all these matters are concluded and reports brought to the House upon resumption on the 6th of June at 2:30 p.m. Honorable Speaker, upon resumption, the House is expected to continue with debate on the second reading of the statute miscellaneous law, the Miscellaneous Amendments Bill of 2022, the general debate on the proposal to amend the Constitution and the standing orders, and the report on the United Nations Convention Against Corruption, should they not be concluded today. The House Business Committee will reconvene on Tuesday, 6th June 2023, to schedule the business for the rest of that week. Honorable Speaker, I also note that question time in the plenary in the past few weeks has proceeded well as Cabinet Secretaries appear in the plenary to answer questions and expound on policies under their respective dockets. I would like to thank all members for their continued participation in this process. Upon resumption of the House, Honorable Speaker, I will notify members on which Cabinet Secretaries will appear in plenary during that week and the questions that will be responded to then. Honorable Speaker, in conclusion, I want to wish members a wonderful recess period as they spend time with their families, rejuvenate, and also discharge their parliamentary and constituency obligations. Honorable Speaker, as I have noted in this statement, this is one of our long recess in the first session after the short recess that we had. And the 4 weeks that will be on recess, Honorable Speaker, will be a 4 weeks working recess. And even as I note that and wish members time with their families, that will be because they will be able to get home earlier than usual. As you are aware, Honorable Speaker, the House rises at 7, on Wednesdays at 9 p.m. And therefore, members do get to their families late. But during the recess, since the committees will be sitting from 9 in the morning, you will have much more time with your families. But I want to ask you to please avail yourselves in committees, especially in consideration of the budget estimates and the finance bill, and in consideration of all the bills, treaties, approval hearings, and reports that are before the committees. And hopefully, when we resume on the 6th of June, all these reports shall be ready for tabling and debate before the House. With that, Honorable Speaker, I beg to lay this statement